Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, no, S corps are a great loophole because what it does is it eliminates self-employment tax.
And what is an S-Corp, by the way?
So S corp is called a small corporation, right? And
I never knew what the S and S-Corp meant.
yeah,
but
it's a small corporation.
I got you.
It's like limited to like 100 shareholders. It's like,
But
it's called a flow-through entity. So a flow-through entity means that the actual entity doesn't get taxed. The profits flow through you through a form called the K-1, which flows to page 2 of your Schedule E.
So similar to LLC then?
Yes, it's a flow-through. LLC is flow-through. Okay. Now, C corps are double taxation. They're the worst for taxation. But you say, hey, why would someone want to be a C corp? Because to get institutional investors, if you're having a startup, they want you to be a C corp, or they're not going to invest in you. Okay. So an S corp is what we call flow-through structure. That's a good tax loophole because it eliminates self-employment taxes on your K-1 when you do a distribution. When you have a Schedule C, a single member LLC, sole proprietorship, you get hit with self-employment taxes, which is like 10 to 14%. S corp eliminates that. Okay. So that's a really good loophole. To become an S corp, you have to file a form called, in New Jersey, it's a New Jersey 2553 and a federal 2553 to get the status. But that is my favorite entity structure in general.
Because S-Corp and LLC can do the same write-off. It's just, the only difference is the self-employment tax?
Yes, you basically save
Gotcha.
10 to 14%.
Are you able to have an LLC and file as an S-Corp?
In New Jersey, it's a two-step. Okay, so that's a very good question because there's these people say, oh, you could just file it. No, not in New Jersey.
Audit.
Nope.
Not in New Jersey.
You got to file a 2553 for the federal, and the state you got to file a 2553. So if it's a state where you only need it for the federal and you get automatic, cool.
Gotcha.
But some states is two steps. So at the federal level, you look like an S corp, and at the state level, you LLC,
Right.
and then now you're getting letters.
Gotcha.
And I see this happen all the time in New Jersey.
Audit.
Gotcha. Yeah. But so that's a good one.
That's actually
How
a
about
really
the
good
one?
one.
I don't know the.
What are they? Go ahead.
Yep.
The one where you rent your home to your business. What's
Yeah,
it
the
called?
Augusta rule.
Augusta rule?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Is that good or is that?
That's okay.
But
I
you gotta
mean,
have the proper paperwork,
you have to have the
and the
paperwork.
meeting minutes and all that good stuff, right?
Yeah, you have to have the paperwork, but it's like it depends.